there?
Oh.
What is it?
Oh wait, you gotta take the plastic off the couch here first.
What is it? Can you show Daddy?
The bee.
Come on, show Mommy what's in that.
Okay.
Gotta get the plastic off. Show Mommy.
Do you like it? Here. Let's use our scissors.
Did you get this at Tom? It's just like the other one. I mean, I remember it being wrapped like this, and the straw goes the same way. Let's see. Alright. Look, a monkey cup.
There's a monkey
Bigger
in
than
there.
your other monkey cup.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
You're welcome. And a new...
There's something in there. There's something left in this box.
Let's see what else is in the box.
A monkey straw.
I almost bought myself a monkey cup.
One fit in your cup holder.
Can you do that?